Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while playing the game Rematch. You are getting the fatal error, game runtime is not installed. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. Here is a step-by-step guide. In the basic step, you need to launch a Microsoft Store, and in the search box, you need to type in Xbox and then hit the enter key. Right over here, you will find the option of Xbox app. Click on it, and if you have not installed this app, make sure to install it, and if any kind of update is pending, click on the option update. Wait for the update to finish installing the Xbox app latest version into your PC. Now once the app is installed or updated, you need to click on the option open to relaunch your Xbox app into your system. Now once the app is launched, make sure you must be signed in, like I am already signed in onto my Xbox. If not, go ahead and sign in onto your Xbox account and then relaunch your game and the issue will be fixed. If this also failed, in next step you need to re-download the game. Whichever site you are using to download this particular game, you need to re-download because there is a new version of the game that fixes this runtime issue. So re-download the game. After re-downloading, copy all the files and then replace them onto your game directory. For example, once I have downloaded the game, I have installed the games right over here in Steam library Rematch. After re-downloading, replace all these files with the new files, and then you need to launch the game using this particular start protected game by right clicking and choose the option run as administrator, and this will fix out the issue of runtime is not installed. If this also failed, in next step open up your web browser and you need to download a program with the name GDK update. Scroll down and click on this zip file to download the link right into your PC. Once the program is downloaded, click on it to open the zip file, and you need to extract the files and folders right inside the zip folder. Now you will find a file with the name pgdk. Right click and choose the option run as administrator. It will ask you to provide the installation directly. Select it and click on this next arrow key to install this Microsoft GDK right into your PC. Simply accept terms and conditions and proceed on-screen instructions available and install this program into your PC. Once the program is installed, relaunch your game and the issue of rematch fatal error, game runtime is not installed, will be completely fixed. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.